We see architecture as an intervention in the environment that stands in relation to direct land around it, as well as in the larger region. Architecture is always mediating between different kinds of humans and non-human users. During the period before the residency, we discussed quite some options of possible interventions that would be beneficial to cohabit the Foresta space. However, it was important to us that to first actually see and experience the space before we put our pens to paper. A site visit was thus very important for us to see actually how the land unfolds also in relation to different seasons and to the wind and the climate and traveling around in that area, seeing how actually other people before us have made properties and dwellings. While being there, we also discussed a former residency we did with Atelier Luma. We were inspired by their bioregional design approach, which we explored together with them. And this approach that follows local material flows and weaves a network of craft knowledge and materials from the region would be something that is first step in our design. We would like to think through materials and see if we could use bio-based, geo-based and or recycled materials. Through the relations between the materials, we are trying to create playful yet critical dialogues with our material environment. Besides staying on the site, we therefore also tried out to map the region in material flows. We went to the local quarry, to the wood mill, to the beach, to see the algae, shells and rocks. We tried to understand the local architecture and old barn structures, the ancient oak trees or chestnut trees that were there. So material usage is more than mere assembling them. You source them and after you shift them and position them and create another atmosphere, a space. These spaces become places with a use, a ritual. They are both ends and means and create new relationships. Our visit to the Foresta place and the many conversations on the topic of different things like relationship, cohabitation, ecology, created a deeper understanding of our roles as inhabitants and users of the place, and also as designers for them.